Guten Tag. I am here in Switzerland. There is literally a waterfall behind me. Not one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My lord. 6. Good morning. We just had breakfast and now we're off to the train station to go up Jungfrau. 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 Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping. It's going for So we're in Jungfrau, we're doing the tour, we're in the ice, what is it, ice museum?
Ice Palace.
Ice Palace.
I just keep them satisfied. You like on the
We're here in Jungfrau and it's amazing. It's not even that cold.
It's so warm.
It's actually pretty warm from the sun. Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. I just keep them satisfied through the weekend. I gotta say I'm in the mood for it. I mean I'm saying what kind of days is 2 days. I need minutes, not more of them, more of them, more you on me, on us. Just tell me you want me back one day. I'll be at your door, ready to take a place, ready to give you what you've been missing the weekdays, what you've been waiting for. 10:30, no living there, drop on the doors, you know what you are. My man is your man, hurt is her man too. My man is your man, hurt that's her man. So we just had dinner. Now we're gonna go have a walk to burn it off. We're gonna go see that waterfall.
You didn't.
That
It's
waterfall.
not in the frame.
Is it in the frame?
That waterfall.
That waterfall.
Cause I can't take it no more. No, you ain't like them bitches. Tell them hoes adios. Say you can drop your panties, leave them shits at the door. Dior falls on the floor. I swear we've been here before. You can fly it whenever. Now you undressing. Panties on the dresser, your hair getting messed up. The feeling we catching. My love is a blessing. Make love in the Lexus. Make love in the Lexus. I know you remember.
Tell me it's that déjà vu. Cause you want me and I want you. Tell me it's that déjà vu. Cause baby it
It's
ain't
like that man behind me.
Tell me is that deja vu? Cause you want me and I want you. Tell me is that deja vu? Cause baby this ain't nothing new.
Why you acting reckless? I told you that I need affection. So let me point you in the right direction.